Hello guys, what's up? What is this to be crack? Sorry, don't just okay. So if you click on this video, you want to see me transform from how I'm looking right now, which is beautiful, to so that's like a nude, natural, everyday glam you can wear anywhere for any event. And I'm just gonna show you the step by step on how I got that glam. Basically, that's what this video is about. Not too much stuff. Alright, so just a lot of you saw this on my birthday post and asked me to do a tutorial for you guys. I got you. You know I'm here for you. You know you can tell me anything. Just tell me in the comment section what you want me to do. Anything at all. I'm here. I'm listening. I'm gonna answer you. Okay. Enough of my plenty talk, because I don't want to make this video long. If it's too long now, it's gonna be somehow, and that's not right for both of us. So yeah, just keep on watching. I'm gonna show you all the steps on how I got the look and stuff. Let's get real close here so you guys can see me do my stuff. So first of all, I'm going to start with my brows. I'm going to be using the Davis pencil, the I said not the mascara one and concealer and stuff. I'm just gonna do that. Then I'm going to switch to, like, I'm not gonna be talking. I just want you guys to see what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna do voiceovers. So yeah.
Okay, now we have our brows, and next we're going to go into the skin. So I'm going to use foundation and my kabuki brush to blend it in. Please don't ask me where the down went, so I beg my kabuki brush to blend it in. So yeah.
Okay, here I'm just showing you how I actually drew the brow in the first place. I do hair like strokes. Then towards my nose area, I make the strokes lighter. Basically, that's all. Then I conceal. So after brushing through my brows, here I'm just going to conceal and highlight the spots on my face where I want to pop, using my same concealer Elegel in the shade Fawn.
CC2. Look Cannon. Look quick. Okay, I'm tatted up in my J zone. Hat cocked to my face on.
Here I'm going to fix my lashes using red cherry lashes, which I've already shown you, and the duo glue. This is what I could get at the time because I didn't bring my makeup box, my travel set. So now it's time for the lips. I'm just using the same Davis eye pencil I used for my brows. As you can see, this is a very easy routine. It's just like 5 things that I use to do this routine, and yeah, you're ready to go. So I'm using the same eye pencil that I'm going to use a light pink lipstick. So that ends this routine. Yay! If you liked the video and you are still watching, make sure you subscribe. Please don't do me like that. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. I love you. Bye. Stay tuned for more.